Okay, hi, and time for a really quick session today. Okay, we're not actually going to be learning a song, but I have had a couple of requests about basically just a very rough explanation about simple clip-on capos and what the purpose of them is and everything else. So in a really quick nutshell, basically capos are just a very simple way of raising the key or the pitch of the song that you're playing if your voice is higher. So for instance, if you did learn a song that was just let's say for instance E minor to A minor, and you started singing along the tune and you found it was a little bit low for your voice, all you do is you simply take the capo and you put it in one of the frets that is higher than in the open position. The open is without a capo, just a regular guitar. So you put the capo on a little bit higher and then you play the same thing, and you can see how now the E minor and the A minor are slightly higher. So you can simply do this and you can experiment with the sound of it and you can see which key suits your voice the most. You learn a simple song, whether it's E minor and A minor, G, C and D, and it's a very quick and easy way of raising it up. So now you can see it's even higher. And this can be very useful, for instance, if you learn a song that is usually sang by a man, by a male, and you're a female vocalist, then you can raise it up higher, so it will probably suit your voice more than the male key, the original. Okay, so that's a really simple way of explaining the capo for you. Also, I usually say this in most of my tuition videos, but if you learn a song, unless you are literally going to be playing along with the original version that might be with a capo on a certain key, you can always just learn the chords and then you can play it in the open position without a capo, or you can try it in any key that suits you. The only thing is if you're literally going to be playing the song that you've learnt with the original recorded version that may be with a capo on a particular fret, you don't have to use a capo. You know, you can work in whichever key is most comfortable for your voice. And I find this with most of my students or people at the open mics that I run. This is often a bit of a problem. People learn a song in a particular key thinking, oh, I have to do it in that key because that's the original. Don't ever do that. It's a common mistake to make. Always work in the best position, best key that suits your voice the most. Don't be afraid to experiment a little while. Put the capo on different keys and see which one suits you the best. Anyway, add comments or questions if you have any confusion around that. But it's pretty simple explanation of capos there for you. Thanks again. Look forward to seeing you for more great guitar tutorials in the future. All the best. Thanks.